Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha.
And I'm Umar. We are very happy to have you here with us today.
Today's easy English conversation. In this episode, we will learn how to improve your English with music, movies, and books in simple ways.
That sounds exciting. I like learning with things I enjoy.
That is the best way to learn. When English feels interesting, it becomes easier to practice every day.
So learning can be fun, not only serious.
Exactly. Let us begin with music. Music is a great tool because you can listen, repeat, and remember words more easily.
I listen to songs, but I do not always understand the words.
That is normal. Start with simple songs. Listen to one short part, repeat the words, and try to understand the meaning.
So I should not try to learn the whole song at once?
Right. Learn one line, then another line. For example, I love the way you smile. You can listen to it, repeat it, and use it in your own speaking practice.
That sounds simple enough to try.
Yes. Songs help you with pronunciation, rhythm, and memory. They also help your brain enjoy the language.
I like that. Music makes English feel lighter.
Very good. Now, let us practice a simple conversation about music. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and happy music.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, I listen to English songs every day.
Excellent. That is a natural and useful answer.
I can use that in real conversation.
Exactly. Now, let us move to movies. Movies are also very helpful because you can hear real English in a natural way.
I watch movies, but sometimes the speaking is too fast.
That happens often. The best way is to start with short scenes and easy dialogue. Watch with subtitles if you need them.
Should I repeat the sentences I hear?
Yes, that is a great idea. Repeat short lines like, "Are you okay?" or "I will be right back." These small phrases are very useful.
That seems like a good way to learn speaking.
It is. Movies teach you how people really speak, how they greet each other, and how they express feelings.
So I can learn everyday language from movies.
Exactly. Let us practice a short movie-style conversation. Did you watch the movie last night?
Yes, I watched it with my family.
Was it interesting?
Yes, it was very interesting.
Wonderful. Simple answers like these help you sound natural.
I understand now.
Good. Now, let us talk about books. Books are excellent for vocabulary and grammar because you can read slowly and learn new words in context.
I like books, but sometimes I find them difficult.
That is okay. Start with easy books, short stories or children's books. You do not need to read something hard at the beginning.
So easy books are better for beginners?
Yes, absolutely. When you read easy material, you feel more confident and less stressed.
What should I do when I find a new word?
Try to guess its meaning from the sentence first, then check it. After that, say the word aloud and write it down.
That sounds like a smart method.
It is. Books help you build strong reading habits and improve your sentence knowledge.
Can we practice a reading conversation?
Of course. What are you reading now?
I am reading a simple English story.
Do you like it?
Yes, I'd like it because it is easy to understand.
Very good. That is clear and natural.
I can use that answer too.
Great. Now, let us compare all three tools. Music helps your ears. Movies help your listening and speaking. Books help your vocabulary and reading.
So
all three are useful in different ways.
Exactly. You do not need to choose only one. You can use all three together.
That sounds better. Then learning feels more complete.
Yes, and it becomes more enjoyable too. For example, you can listen to a song in the morning, watch a short scene in the afternoon, and read a few pages at night.
That is a nice study plan.
It is simple, and simple plans are easier to continue. Now, let us practice a few useful sentences. I learned a new word from a song.
I learned a new word from a song.
I copied a sentence from a movie.
I read a story in English.
Excellent. These sentences are easy to remember and very useful.
I feel more motivated now.
That is wonderful. Motivation grows when learning feels real and enjoyable.
What should I do if I do not understand everything?
Do not worry about understanding every single word. Try to understand the main idea. Little by little, your understanding will improve.
So I do not need to be perfect?
No, not at all. Progress matters more than perfection. Even a little practice every day can make a big difference.
That makes learning feel possible.
Good. Let us do one final practice. Repeat after me. I learn English with music.
I learn English with music.
I learn English with movies.
I learn English with books.
Excellent. I practice a little every day.
I practice a little every day.
Exactly. For example, when you hear a song many times, you start remembering the words without trying too hard.
So repetition happens naturally with music.
Yes, and that is very powerful. Now, let us practice a simple sentence. I heard this song many times.
I heard this song many times.
Now I can remember some of the words.
The melody helps me remember.
Excellent. Music can help your memory in a very friendly way.
I like that. It does not feel stressful.
Good. Now let us talk about movies again. Movies are useful because you can hear how people greet, ask questions, and answer quickly.
That helps me understand real conversation.
Exactly. You may hear phrases like, "What are you doing?" "I am just looking." "Do you need any help?" These are everyday expressions.
So I can learn common phrases from short scenes?
Yes, and then you can use them yourself. Let us practice. What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am just looking.
I am just looking.
Do you need any help?
Do you need any help?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Very good. That is a natural movie-style exchange.
It feels easy to say.
Good. Now, let us move back to books. Books give you time to think, which is very helpful for beginners. That is nice because I can read slowly. Exactly. You can stop, repeat, and look at the sentence again. That helps your brain understand the structure more clearly. So, books let me learn at my own speed. Yes, and that is a big advantage. For example, you may read a sentence like, "The boy opened the window and looked outside." The boy opened the window and looked outside. That sentence is simple and clear. That sentence is simple and clear. Excellent. Reading simple sentences helps you build confidence. I can feel that already. Great! Now let us practice a real conversation about learning from books. What do you learn from reading?
I learn new words and better sentence patterns.
Do you read every day?
Yes, I try to read a little every day.
That is a very good habit.
That is a very good habit.
Very good. Small reading habits can create strong results over time.
I understand. Small actions matter.
They really do. Now, let us combine all three tools. You can listen to music, watch a movie scene, and read a short page all in one day.
That would make learning more interesting.
Yes, and variety keeps your motivation alive. If one method feels boring, another method can bring your energy back.
So I should change my study style sometimes?
Exactly. Flexibility helps you stay consistent. Now, let us practice a few more useful lines. I found this word in a book.
I found this word in a book.
I heard this phrase in a song.
I heard this phrase in a song.
I learned this sentence from a movie.
I learned this sentence from a movie.
Excellent. Those are very useful learning sentences.
They help me talk about my progress.
Yes, and talking about your progress is a great way to stay motivated. Now, let us practice a short, everyday conversation. What do you like to do after studying?
I like to listen to music or watch a short video.
Do you also read English?
Yes, I read simple stories when I have time.
Exactly. Flexibility helps you stay consistent. Now, let us practice a few more useful lines. I found this word in a book.
I found this word in a book.
I heard this phrase in a song.
I heard this phrase in a song.
I learned this sentence from a movie.
I learned this sentence from a movie.
Excellent! Those are very useful learning sentences.
They help me talk about my progress.
Yes, and talking about your progress is a great way to stay motivated. Now, let us practice a short, everyday conversation. What do you like to do after studying?
I like to listen to music or watch a short video.
Do you also read English?
Yes, I read simple stories when I have time.
That is a smart learning routine.
That is a smart learning routine.
Wonderful! That routine can help you improve in many ways.
I think I can try that.
Good! You do not need long hours. You need regular contact with English.
Regular contact sounds easier to manage.
It is. Now, let us practice a few very short responses. I like this song.
I like this movie scene.
I like this book.
I want to learn more.
These short sentences are very useful for beginners.
They are easy to repeat, too.
Exactly. Repeating easy sentences helps your mouth become comfortable with English sounds.
So the mouth learns by practice.
Yes, it does. Now, let us do one more short conversation. How do you learn English at home?
I learn English with music, movies, and books.
What helps you most?
They all help in different ways.
That is a great answer.
That is a great answer.
Very good. That is a clear and natural response.
I feel more confident after practicing these lines.
These small habits can make a big difference.
Keep learning in a fun and easy way.
Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel.
If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And do not forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and never stop improving your English.
We will meet you again in the next episode with another interesting English podcast.
Until then, keep listening, keep speaking.
Goodbye and take care.